Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Ranger XLT Extra Cab Ute, stock reference number 5205. The shape runs from the 6-month 2011 through to the 6-month 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the chrome radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard has 2 dents, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, indicator type in chrome, left front door 1 small dent, left rear door 1 small dent, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left hand rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar with all fittings, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror in chrome with indicator, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle has grey cloth interior, a little bit of wear on the driver's seat, still usable. Centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, climate control type, factory single stack control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.